Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we are back working on the tiny house. We're trying to finish this thing up. We did the floor, we did the trim, windows and baseboard. We have put in the toilet and all the cabinets are in. So let me show you what we got going on.
So let me go over real quick how I do a cope on this baseboard trim. So the first thing that has to happen is you cut this off at a 45. So we're going to cut it off. Alright, so we're not using a coping saw, we're going to use this hacksaw. So there's one little sharp area right there that you can't get with the sander. So I'm just going to cut this. With a hacksaw. Alright, so now we're going to cut this part off. And then we're going to whittle away at some of this. Alright, so that's what you have left. So I'm using a flap wheel, and you can see I've been using it for a while. It's all kind of burned up, but it'll still work. So what we're going to do is we're going to sand this off with a flap wheel. All right, so you want to back angle that just a little bit, like a 5 degrees or whatever, and then have you a scrap piece here where you can test fit. And that's pretty close. It does need just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. All right, so what you can do to get that off, you just have it just a little bit right here tight. See how that works. And that's pretty tight right there. So there's how it turned out. Nice tight cope in the corner. So just one quick tip, when you're doing a piece that has a square end on it, cut your cope first, and then you can fit that length in tight. So don't cut your overall length first. Make it a little bit long, and then do your cope, and then fit it in and cut it again for length. All right, so you can see we are wrapping up this project. We have finished all the trim for the windows and the baseboard. We put a shelf all the way around this room here, and we're gonna hang these pegs. Got them laid out. We're gonna have about 30 little peg holes around here. And in here, we got the bifold up. In here, the kitchen. A lot of stuff has been moved into place. And in the bathroom, we got the toilet in and the cabinet. And this little sink. And the medicine cabinet, and back here we have waterproofed the wall for the shower. We're going to tile this next time we come up, and we also need to finish this door. We're going to stain and urethane this door. So that pretty much is what we have left. It's looking really good. Thanks for watching.